Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with, let's begin with making sure that I've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can open the settings. So now let's scroll down and find users and accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our accounts for owner. We've got our Google account currently added to the device. So let me first of all, maybe let's start this video with removing the account. So all you need to do is to tap on it, tap on remove account, and tap on remove account again. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and of course verify everything with your fingerprint. And as you can see, our device will immediately remove the account. And if you'd like to add it, simply tap on add account and choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection and verify you with the pattern PIN or password. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Why? Oh, okay. It might take a while until the device will connect with the server, so be patient. And here in this step, you can change the, you can enter the password. So simply do it and tap on next. Here you need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here you can also decide whether you want to use biometrics to verify purchases. It's completely up to you. And here, backup. If you want to, you can do it. I don't want to. So just let me tap on don't backup now. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.